Welcome new faculty to the University of South Carolina. We are the Office of Student Advocacy, and our mission is to help students navigate academic concerns and barriers to achieving personal and academic success. We connect students to campus resources, empower them to advocate for themselves, and set realistic expectations and goals to enhance their student experience. You may hear other faculty refer to our office as the undergraduate ombuds or student ombuds. In 2023, we reimagined how we interact with students and their supporters, and part of that is our new office name, the Office of Student Advocacy, which is more reflective of what we do and a little easier for students to understand than ombuds. We support our undergraduate, graduate students, and faculty by verifying when a student absence meets the criteria to be considered excused, answering questions regarding university policy, identifying options to manage and resolve conflict with students, and providing guidance on next steps or recommendations to consider when supporting students. If you or one of your students has a question for us, your first step should be our new portal, Ask USC. This is our central resource where individuals can find help in person, by phone, email, or via live chat. We started using live chat in March of 2024, and we've had chats with faculty, students, staff, and parents. When one of your students works with our office on something like an absence verification, you'll receive communication from our office via email through our case management system, Maxient. The email you receive may look something like this. At first glance, some faculty think this is spam, but it's not. Our phone number is included in the body of the email, so feel free to call and verify. We'll reach out to you on a student's behalf, but faculty can also refer students to the Office of Student Advocacy when they don't know where to go or whom to ask, or they're unsure about university policy and procedure. On the other hand, the Office of Student Advocacy doesn't hear formal complaints, provide legal advice, or facilitate grade changes or medical withdrawals. Our office has full-time staff and student workers that are here to assist you in person, over the phone, or through Ask USC. The Office of Student Advocacy is here to support you and your students throughout the semester, and we look forward to working with you. If you have questions, remember, Ask USC.